Have you ever just stared at a blank slide, totally and completely stuck? Well, today, we're going to dive into how AI can help you build amazing presentations. And get this, do it way faster.
I mean, seriously, just think about it for a second. That huge presentation you've got for school or work. What if you could have it done in minutes instead of hours? All the design work just handled for you. No stress.
You know, that's not science fiction anymore. Artificial intelligence, or AI, can now basically act as your own personal design assistant. It's making slide creation so much faster and easier for everybody.
Okay, so first, let's talk about a problem that I think we've all had. That fear of the blank page. You know what I'm talking about.
So the old way, right? You'd be staring at that screen, just trying to come up with ideas, and it felt like it took forever. But the new way? You just write a quick sentence and boom, the AI builds the whole thing for you. It's not just faster, it's actually a lot more fun.
So what exactly is this new tool? Let's go ahead and meet your brand new AI assistant, the AI Presentation Maker.
The easiest way to think about it is like a magic helper. You tell it your big idea, and it just instantly spins that idea into a full designed presentation. I'm talking titles, text, even pictures.
And that's really the key here. Thinking of AI as your co-pilot. It handles all the heavy lifting, the design and layout stuff, which frees you up to focus on what really matters, your message.
So, how do you actually tell the AI what you want? Well, the good news is, you don't need to be a computer programmer or anything. It all just comes down to using simple sentences.
Getting that first draft is literally a simple 3-step process. You start with an idea, you write a clear sentence about it, and then you just let the AI work its magic and generate the slides for you.
All you have to do is write a simple request, which is called a prompt, something just like this. The clearer and more direct you are, the better the AI can bring your vision to life.
Okay, but hold on. Even though these tools are super powerful, they're not perfect. So let's cover a couple of common mistakes and, more importantly, how you can avoid them.
So here's something you'll see a lot. Sometimes, if you give the AI a bunch of info, it'll try to cram way too many words onto one slide, and that just makes it cluttered and really hard for your audience to read.
And the fix is easy. Just remember, your slides are there to support you. They're not a script. Keep them simple with just the key points. The real details and the stories, those should come from you when you're speaking.
Now listen up, because this one is super important. You have to be careful because sometimes AI tools can just make stuff up. They might use old information or just get details flat out wrong. Some people call this an AI hallucination.
The solution here is simple but crucial. You've got to fact check your slides. Just take a couple of minutes to double check any numbers or facts that the AI gives you. Trust me, your credibility is on the line.
All right, and that brings us to the final and maybe the most important step of all. Taking that AI draft and making it truly yours.
You should always treat what the AI gives you as just a starting point, a first draft. From there, it's your job to do a simple 3-step review. Check those facts, edit the words so they sound like you, and then add your own personal style.
Hey, and if you found this helpful, doing a quick like and subscribe really does make a huge difference. Your support helps us keep making more explainers just like this one. So, thank you.
So think about it. Now that you kind of see how it all works, could this powerful new tool help you nail that next school project? Or maybe help you share your next big idea with the world? Let us know what you think.